This week is National Volunteers Week, and I'd like to take this opportunity on behalf of the force to thank our brilliant volunteers for your continued support over the last 12 months. Policing is too important to be left to the police alone. It needs to be a community-wide effort, and our volunteers are members of our community, giving up their time to help keep us safe. The range of knowledge and skills which our volunteers bring to our organisation is key in enabling us to be the best at understanding and responding to our community's needs. The past 12 months have been difficult for the whole force, and this has been no different for our volunteers. The contribution of our special constabulary throughout COVID-19 pandemic has been greater than ever, volunteering over 80,000 hours. Our specials are integral in helping us keep South Wales safe, and we could not do it without you. You play a vital role in bolstering our resources and helping us break demand. I thank you for your dedication, commitment and professionalism. Our police support and student volunteers carry out a wide range of important roles, such as our chaplains, South Wales Police Band, Heritage Centre volunteers and those who assist in preventing cybercrime and supporting our nighttime economy patrols. Unfortunately, many of you may have been unable to volunteer with us as much as you like due to the pandemic restrictions. I appreciate this would have been frustrating for you, but we value your commitment and look forward to welcoming more of you back when restrictions allow. A small number have continued to volunteer throughout the pandemic, including our force chaplains, who have continued to minister and support us. Our temporary Crown Court ushers, who have assisted in clearing a significant backlog of cases for Her Majesty's Court Service, and the volunteers who have played crucial roles in the delivery of our Safer Streets initiative in Merthyr Tydfil. Our police youth volunteers play a key role in providing South Wales Police with a perspective and outlook of young people. They also make a real difference to their local communities by undertaking social action projects. They are Holocaust Memorial champions, digital heroes and work with vulnerable people within our society. Due to the pandemic restrictions, it has meant that you have been unable to meet in person, but you have not been deterred and have continued to meet online, continuing to learn more, do more and try more during your online sessions. Thank you for continuing to engage with us, and we look forward to the resumption of face-to-face activities when safe to do so. A big thank you also has gone out to our police youth volunteer leaders who have adapted to the most challenging of circumstances. So, on behalf of everyone at South Wales Police, I want to say a big diolch to all of our special constables, police support and student volunteers, police youth volunteers and our independent animal welfare and custody visitor volunteers. You are all important members of our policing family. Diolch for selflessly giving up your own time, for helping us to keep South Wales safe.